Dom.
Okay.
Miss Holden, right?
Right.
Okay.
Come on in. Let me,
Okay. Do you have the keys?
Mm-hmm.
That's okay. So this one works. Oops, press it harder. So now that works, as you can see. Let me get that, as you can see. So I did a little more research and make sure that it didn't have the feature on there before I made you another key, but it didn't. I tried to reprogram it too. So, but yeah, but this one does start without you, having to put it in that spot again. And yeah, it's usually like that. They just want to make sure you have it locked, so nobody just walk up and get in. So yeah.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome. All right, take care.